In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the vendor name that appears on product cards on collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, the sample vendor name displayed under the product title is currently in gray, so for the purpose of this tutorial, let's change it to red. To make this change, log into Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store. Then locate Dawn theme and click on Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on Homepage and then select Collections, then click on Default Collection. Then on the left under Template, click on Product Grid, scroll all the way to the bottom and expand Custom CSS section. We're going to be adding the Custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the vendor name. Let's right click on it, then select Inspect. Let's take a look. We're going to be targeting the class selector, which is called Caption with letter spacing light, nested within the card information container. Perfect, so let's go back to the editor and let's type the following rule. Type period, card dash information, space, period, caption, dash width, dash letter, dash spacing, period, light. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me just pick the red color. Let's select this one. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's paste it right in here. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection page. And as you can notice, the vendor name is now displayed in red, and this change will be reflected on other collections. And lastly, if you have feature product section in your homepage, like I do over here, and you want to change the color of vendor name, we can actually reuse the same CSS rule. For that, let's go back to the editor. Let's copy the current CSS rule. Then click on Default Collection. Let's switch to Homepage. And now let's select Feature Collection. Once again, scroll all the way to the bottom. Within the Custom CSS section, just paste the current rule, and then save the changes. Now let me go back to my homepage. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, vendor names are now also displayed in red color. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.